In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted board on Pinterest, the 2025 guide. We've all been there. Maybe you deleted a board thinking you no longer needed it, or perhaps it was an accidental click. Whatever the reason, don't worry. Retrieving your lost boards is quite simple with the steps I'm about to walk you through. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Pinterest website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the right account. Once you're on Pinterest, go ahead and click on your profile icon. This can usually be found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will take you to your profile where you can see all the boards you've created. Now, once you're in your profile, look for the option that says Restore Boards. This option is your gateway to bring back the boards you wish to see again. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page that lists all the boards that have been deleted. Don't worry, Pinterest keeps track for you, saving you from having to remember every board's detail. The next step is where you need to identify which board you want to restore. Browse through the list until you spot the board. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple boards with similar names. Once you've found the board you wish to bring back, simply click on it. Now pay attention to the Restore button. This is the final step to successfully resurrect your board. Click on Restore and just like that, your board will reappear among your active boards. It's as if it never left. You can now continue adding more ideas and inspirations to it. A tip to keep in mind: better organization and categorical naming of your boards can help avoid accidental deletions in the future. Consider reviewing your boards regularly and deciding on which ones to archive if you don't need them immediately. I find this maintains much tidier space. And that's it. You've not only learned how to recover your deleted Pinterest boards, but also a couple of best practices to keep your account organized and ensure that you never lose important boards again. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful too. Thanks for watching and happy pinning!